In today's video, I'll show you on how you can reset DVR CP Plus. The first thing that you want to do is to head over to the official website of CP Plus right here. But if you also don't have your Gmail address or an email address, you then want to simply strip down your CP Plus device and it will look something like this. The first thing that you want to do is to go ahead and find this specific two holes. We are going to ground them using something like a tweezers or a scissor. You want to gently press these two holes for around 30 seconds. From there, you simply want to plug in the device and once again hold the tweezer or scissor for another 30 seconds. You will then hear a beeping sound, and from there you then want to let go of the tweezers, and then we have successfully reset our DVR CP Plus. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guide to Everything for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.